Hey everyone, how's it going? I am here on semester at sea and I decided that I'd do another room tour. So I am in an inside triple right now. It is one of the 4 room types on the ship. There is an inside double, inside triple, outside double, and outside triple, as well as some saver cabins on the bottom of the ship. The inside triple is probably one of the cheapest rooms you can get, but it's also one of the hardest rooms to get because there's not that many of them. To get down to even lower, there are the adventure rooms, but you can't really sign up for those at first, so we'll see if we get into those later. But anyway, so let's check out triple room. This one is actually on the very front of the ship, so it's a little bit of a different orientation than all the other rooms, which is kind of cool. So just starting off, you see there's 3 beds. So there's the couch bed, and then there's actually a bunk bed, and they both fold into the wall, which is kind of cool. Little ladder there. You're kind of tucked back in the corner, but it gives you a lot of space because you actually have this whole living room area right here. You have shelves up here where you can store plenty of items, as well as over here, and you have some drawers of where you have the shelves up there with your TV, you have the fridge down there, just like the other rooms, and then you actually have 3 closets, which is pretty awesome. So just to open one of these up, you can see you have all the shelves in here, you have a safe, and then you have your clothes racks down there. Again, like all the other rooms, you have a blow dryer, you have electrical outlets. They are all European though, so you just want to make sure you bring those adapters. And there's plenty of mirrors to make the rooms look bigger. Let's go into here. So you see the bathroom, it's just like all the other ones. You have the shelves down here, up there, and your towels. Same picture in the bathroom, just like all the others, and the showers with the great water pressure. So that's really the whole room. It's really nice. It's a good option if you're trying to save a little bit of money. It's a lot cheaper than the other rooms, and it's a lot more space than the outside triple actually, because you do have this whole living area, which is really nice. So anyway, if you have any questions, just make sure to let me know down in the comments, and so make sure to like and subscribe. I'll see y'all next time, and hopefully I'll be releasing a video from Japan very soon. See ya.